Howdy, thanks for watching today. I'm Justin Wilson with American Irrigation Repair, and I'm here to show you today how to adjust an MP rotor. This is a hybrid between a full-size gear drive rotor and a spray head. This particular rotor is a MP 2000 90-210, which is rated 2000 puts it at rated around 20 feet. It will depend some upon the pressure that you've got. And a 90-210 is the arc that this head is capable of, so it will do everything from a 90 to a little bit over 210 degrees, a little bit over a half circle. Good quality stream rotor here. Originally came out, was manufactured by Walla Walla, and a few years after they were out and became popular, Hunter Industries bought them out. So it is now a Hunter product. Very popular rotor. Only thing we run into with these gear drive, with these stream rotors, is that the run times on them. They have to run a good period of time. They are low application. They're extremely efficient, but it does take a while for them to water to a half an inch. But let's get on with the adjustment procedure here. You've got a collar below the actual nozzle, which will change your arc. You can do that by hand, or you can use your adjustment tool, and it will adjust the arc. You can see that I just took it from about a 180 to about a 90, and then I can continue to spin this, go on up to about 210. But like I say, you'll use the collar below the top of the nozzle to set your arc, and on the MP, the left side is actually non-adjustable. So what I mean by that is, to adjust the left side stop, you're going to actually grab the base of the spray head, and you actually are going to need to use the ratcheting action to adjust it around. So in other words, I would have just now adjusted my left stop to out in the middle of the lawn, and my right stop, as you can see, hasn't moved. If I was going to reduce that, I could go ahead and spin the collar again to reduce that, or use my tool. Either way will reduce the arc. So again, I could ratchet it to move the left stop, and then like I say, it's reduced to about a 90 degree, but you could use your tool to adjust the right stop from there. Additionally, you've got a radius reduction screw on the top of the nozzle. It's very small, somewhat difficult to see, but you can use the MP rotator tool. You can use the tip of that tool to be able to adjust the radius. We can get this one to slide in here. Again, the radius reduction screw is extremely small. There we go. Finally got it clipped in there. And what you'll do is you'll rotate that radius reduction screw clockwise to decrease the arc. Now it's limited. You're not going to be able to turn it much more than about 25%. And you'll see that after a point, it just stops making that big of an impact because you've reached the limitation. The head will only adjust so far down. It will not go all the way to a closed position. They've designed it such that it limits the amount of radius reduction that is achievable through the radius reduction screw. Counterclockwise, we'll open it back up. Again, can be somewhat difficult to sit in there on that radius reduction screw because it is pretty small. Okay, so I've got it open back up. I'm going to ratchet around to adjust my left side properly by grabbing the base of the head and ratcheting the head itself. And then I'm going to open up the right side arc with my tool to set it at about a 180. That's the adjustment procedure on a Hunter MP rotator. This is a 2000s, but the 3000 and the 1000 are virtually identical. Thanks for watching today. If you need sprinkler repair work, sprinkler modification, sprinkler maintenance, any type of sprinkler or irrigation work, we're here to help. You can give us a call at 512-943-6075 or visit our website at www.fixmyheads.com. That's FIXMYHEADS.com, or find our contact information in the description section below this video. Thank you.